Hi, this is Dora, and I think you said your name was Ben, but I'm so sorry if I got it wrong. This is Dora. I spoke with you earlier today and said I would send this video over for you. So I'm going to just jump right in so I don't take up too much of your time. So normally what I would do is just to do a search on Google to see what you have in your area. And I just did sliding door repair in Tampa. And at the top, there are ads, but then this is the map pack, which ideally is a great place for your business to be. And the reason that is because when people come and do a search, they tend to click on one of these first three businesses. It's just because it's easy and it's fast. Now you can also get into the map pack by just making sure that you've got your Google business page and that it's completely updated and optimized. And also make sure that you have as many citations as you can get. Citation just means get your name, address, phone number, exactly as you have it on your Google business page, and put it into as many directories as you can find, like yellow pages, white pages, Yelp, those sorts of things. There's a lot of them out there. You shouldn't have any trouble finding them and just putting that information in. That will help you to get into this map pack and help you to gain some more business that way. So it looks like Bay Area Sliding Door Repairs is your biggest competitor. So that's what I'm just going to kind of look at and compare with just to kind of show you what we might be able to do or you might be able to do. So this is your website, of course, and it's a very nice site. It looks nice. It flows well. You've got good pictures. It's great. The one thing I would really recommend, though, would be to have more content. Now, the reason I say that is because Google comes and they send out their crawlers and they crawl your page and they check to make sure your information's relevant, but then they count how many words you have on your home page. So right now, to get in the map pack, or not to get in the map pack, to get on the first page of Google and stay there, you need about 1,500 words of content. This is a clickable phone number. That's great. People really like that. The only other thing I think I would recommend on your homepage would be maybe to have a small form here. Um, you know, uh, just because a lot of people hate the phone, they might not want to wait on the phone. They might want to, you know how it is. So anyway, if it's just a short little form where they can see exactly what they have to put in, and then you can reach back out to them when you have time. A lot of times that's just better for people. So looking at your competitor, site's not any better than yours is, not at all. And I don't think they have much more content, and they might, or they probably are outranking you for a couple of other reasons. So let's just look at that. All right, so this is kind of like looking at your site from the back door and seeing how everything's running. So right now you have a domain rating of 0. That's the power that your site has with Google. And you have a URL rating of 3.2, and that is your trust with Google. Now, these numbers will come up as you add some backlinks and referring domains. So a referring domain is just the person who is making a post, and that post is a link back to your site. So maybe somebody is making a blog post and they're saying, oh my gosh, these guys are amazing. And then they put your link in so that somebody can click back to you. That's what a backlink is. And ideally, you'd want to have many backlinks if at all possible. They're not all related equal or not all rated equal. The more powerful ones actually help you quite a lot more because your site takes some of the power from them. So I am just going to look, let's see if you've got keywords. You've got 14 keywords, so that's awesome. These are the words that you are ranking for right now. Sliding glass door, 100 people look for that every month. 200 people look for Orlando. So there's quite a bit of volume here that's available that you're actually ranking for. Unfortunately, your position is just too low to actually pull any traffic in from it. So, if you add that 1,500 words of content and utilize your keywords, it's going to help you be in a higher position, and it will therefore make you have more people reaching out to you. And then let's look at the competition. So their domain rating is 6, their URL is 4. Although they're not high numbers, they're good. I mean, Google likes a 1-to-1 ratio, so they are close together. That helps them a bit. And then they have 195 backlinks. This is why they are outranking you on Google. So let me look at this. As you can see, they have their own domain rating and power and their trust. So if you were to go to your competitors' websites, you might not want to use Ahrefs because it's a little spendy just to do that. But if you find one of the programs that you can use, I believe there's some free ones, and just go through and click each one of the links that your competitors have. Do as many competitors as you want to, because the more of these quality backlinks that you have, the better. I would take the ones that are like a 50 and above, and they're not for just one person. You click on it, you add the information, and then you can use that backlink too. Now, every once in a while, you'll find one that's exclusive to them, or you'll find one you have to pay for, but that's okay. Just go get another one. It's not a problem at all. So then let's look at their keywords. So it looks like they've got 263 keywords that they're ranking for right now. So as you can see, they are pulling in traffic from these keywords. These are the number of people that are reaching out to them each month. And so, they're ranking, number 2 for this one. If you were to rank in the top 5 for most of them, or even top 3, it would help you bring in quite a bit more business. Let's look at the volume, because I just want you to see how much volume there is. So some of these are national keywords. They're not for your local area, but still, there are so many people out there that are looking for your services, exactly what you're providing. So if you were just able to add that content, utilize your keywords, get some backlinks, it's going to help you to rank at the top and pull in more business. So I hope that this helps you. I will reach out tomorrow, and I look forward to hearing your thoughts. So have a great evening.